video. It's Sierra T, and I'm coming back to show you guys some of my quick hairstyles. I just took my style. Well, I am taking my style down, so I just wanted to show you guys a few of my favorite hairstyles that I usually go to when I'm in between having my hair done, I guess you can say. My style been in probably for about a week, and I'm just, taking it down because it's starting to itch and stuff. I don't know if you're supposed to leave it in longer. I don't think I can last any longer, so that's that. I'm taking it down. He put needle and thread in it, so you can see me struggling a little bit, but welcome guys, welcome to another video. I know it's been a little while. My hair is doing really good. I love my locks. I love I just love the culture. Like, I just love locks, period. Yeah, so I'm just taking this style down. Let's see. Oh, the color. The color I used was Adore. I think it was something spice and something Cajun. I forget the exact names. I'll insert a picture of the bottles somewhere so you can see it, but yeah, I dyed some of, well, all of the tips were, reddish, but the color's starting to fade out. And I went on ahead and dyed a couple of my locks black, so it's like highlights. It looks really pretty. I'll insert a picture here of my hair right now. It's actually curly. I put some perm rods in it, so it's nice and curly and voluptuous. Yeah, this is just me taking down my hair. I wanted to put this in because I wanted to show off this hairstyle. I really love it. One of my friends did it. He's an awesome loctician, located in the DMV. So if you're ever in this area and you need a bomb loctician, let me know. I'll definitely put his Instagram somewhere on the screen. Let's see. I'll probably go ahead and fast forward this part because it's really just me taking down my hair. It was a struggle getting it out, if you ain't noticed. So yeah, just taking it down. And at the end of this video, you're going to see that it skips to the next day because when I took the locks down, I didn't like the way my hair was like bent all up. It wasn't like I thought it was going to be like a braid out type of curl, but it was like, it was like bent all over the place. So you're going to see it skip to the next day. So if you see a shift in lighting, a shift in where I'm sitting, a shift in everything, just know that it's the next day. And I had did a light braid out on my hair over and left it in overnight. So it's not as curly as I wanted it to be. It looks kind of straight now. Well, not straight. It don't look straight. It look wavy instead of like the braid out curl I was looking for. So it does look a little bit flatter, but at least it's not all bent up from being pinned up and stuff, I guess. Yep, so you can really see the color. You can see some of that red still sitting there. And if you see me talking, it's because I'm on the phone with my girlfriend. So we just chatting it up while I'm taking down my hair. I was really loving that color. Okay, y'all, it's the very next day. I got this plan in fast speed because I'm going to show you my first hairstyle, which is half up, half down. So simply all you have to do is grab half of your hair, and don't mind my faces. I just look so rough. But yeah, just grab half your hair, put it in a hair tie, rubber band, whatever you want to use. That's your choice. What I did was I should have gelled down my edges. I know, I just didn't feel like it for the sake of the video. I just wanted to play in my hair and show y'all some styles. So half up, and what I like to do, I like to grab two locks, bring them around, tuck them down in the back, and then yeah, that is your half up, half down. That's the ending result. Something quick and simple, nothing major. but it's a quick style if you want to just, you know, just look cute on the go. All right. Okay, y'all, so this next style, I don't really know what to call it, but I am doing a barrel twist, so I'll zoom in so you can see how to do that, because you can use your barrel twist and do a whole bunch of styles. So I think this was an easy, cute technique. So hopefully it's clear for you to see, but basically you're just twisting a lock going the opposite way of the one across it, if that makes sense. So hopefully you can see and it makes more sense than what I'm saying. But what I did was I just did one barrel twist to the side, and you'll see at the end it's a cute little quick style. Yeah, I hope this is clear for you. I hope it's better better on video than explaining it. You just twisting a lock around the lock on the other side. Yeah, you just keep twisting and keep twisting. Yeah, my arms started getting tired. Had to take a 2-second break. My arms be getting so tired. And yep, that is the finished quick look. Slick those edges down. And you got you a hairstyle for the day. Nice, quick, easy, and cute. Okay, so in this next clip, you can see that the lighting kind of changed. I actually switched cameras, so it's kind of a different, it's just kind of different. In this style, I did go ahead and fast forward because basically what I'll be doing is braiding two French braids down the middle on each side of my head. And if you know how to French braid, basically you'll just put two French braids in your hair. If you don't know how to French braid, this video is not really gonna show you how to, but for the sake of this style, all I did was make two French braids and left the ends out, and I thought that was really cute. I usually do this after my like curls from perm rods or flexi rods start to wear off, so it's like that pretty curly end on them. But for the sake of the video, this is another idea you can do. Just put two French braids, and if you have like some pretty ribbons or something like that, you can put those on the ends, make it really stylish and sleek. Sleek those edges down. I'm just lazy. I'm really lazy when it comes to my hair, to be honest. Yeah, I just let my edges be free. I think that's why they started to thin out a little bit, because I was always gelling them down, tying them down with a scarf. So now I'm just trying to, you know, let them breathe and treat them. But yep, that's this style. Two Frenchies down each side. My rubber band started coming loose, so you can see the braid on that side started to get a little lumpy. But when you do yours, you know, just use something secure Yeah, there's that style. I think it's really cute, easy, quick, and you out the door. So for this next style, you will need your hair in a ponytail, and this is my hairstyle that I'm going to do with a head wrap. So you will need a scarf or a head wrap for this style here. I did speed up the video a little bit just to get past this ponytail part. I'm just doing a basic ponytail. But you're going to do like a messy bun at the top. Trust the process. The bun does not have to look perfect whatsoever. Just form a bun. So after you form your bun, you're going to take your head wrap. And this is one of my go-to designs, I guess. I don't know if you call that a design, but this is the usual wrap I do when I put the hair wrap on. So you're going to take your scarf, get it around the bun like so. Wrap it around. Cross it once or twist it once. Bring it around the back. Make sure the little part is not sticking out, so you want to stick that. We'll basically twist it in so it's not showing. And this scarf is pretty long, so this style works best with a long scarf. And I just twisted those two and went around. And I'm just twisting up that end there. I'm gonna bring those two around, make another crisscross in the front, and just stick that within the head wrap and secure it. If you want it more secure, you probably can use a bobby pin. I usually don't have that problem. It usually stays in place, so I usually don't put nothing on there. And you just bring that other side around and wrap it. And trust the process, y'all. We're not done with this bun. Alright, so literally with your bun, you're just going to take pieces and stick them in places. So literally just take one and just like bring it around, wrap it around, and then tuck it in. Take another piece, wrap it around a different direction, tuck it in, and you do that until all of the locks is tucked and secure and you have a cute bun. So it might take a little while. Yep, you're just gonna keep tucking. And I actually had got a phone call by the end of the video, so I didn't do like a pose or anything, but you can see how the bun came out. It came out really, really cute. So that's the last idea I have for you guys.